What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, and CHTAPGT, by the way, let me add that as well. Now, the reason we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% of every sale you bring in. That's insanity, and it's every month. So you can really build an income here. You know what I mean? So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna check and see what our results are here. We're gonna refresh the page. Looks like we didn't get a sale, but refresh the page to show you guys real results. I want to make sure you guys understand that this is money that is going into my bank account for sure. All right. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine, not a big deal. So the first thing we want to do is get you guys the affiliate links. All right. So you want to go to my description there, and you want to click on Income Speaks, and it's gonna take you to this page here. All right. It's gonna take you to this page. It's basically talking about $25 business. What it is, essentially, it's a funnel builder. And if you know what funnel builders are, you're affiliate marketer, and basically it's just you build a funnel or websites to get somebody to buy something. That's what a funnel builder is. And the most popular one is ClickFunnels, which is about $100 a month for the cheap version, and this is only $25 per month, guys. So affiliate marketer, really good product, and it's actually easier to learn than ClickFunnels is. In my opinion, at least. ClickFunnels felt kind of rough, to be honest. Honestly, all of them easier than ClickFunnels. That's how I feel. But anyway, guys, yeah, it's a really good product, and it shows how much money you can make and stuff. It says $20. That's the $25 business, and then $100 as well, and which is another product in the system, and you can make $120 off of each customer, guys. Fantastic deal here, guys. 80% of all commissions in the program. All right, so you want to click on yes, I want in. You get this a shot, and you just put in all your basic information, blah blah blah, and you get it for $25. Now, one thing I want to add, if you use my link, guys, in my description, you will get this product for free for 14 days. This is HBA Premium. It's all about traffic, teaching you how to set up traffic and teaching you how to set up ads, stuff like that. Now, the cool thing about it is that if you get a sale with this product, you keep that $100 that you wouldn't you wouldn't necessarily get if you didn't own the product. You have to own products to get sales off of them for most products, and yeah, make a lot of money like that. And it's every month, it's monthly payments, you know what I mean? So you make a lot of money like that. You get about 3 people in the system, and you in a surplus of a ton of money, right? You're in a surplus of a ton of money with a really good product as well. Now, you get about 10 people in there, you paying at least rent for most places, unless you staying in like rent don't went up lately, so I don't know. You paying most rent for most places, not every place. Yeah, and it's just a really good product. It's also got AI content creation machine to help you make content, posts on Instagram, whatever, right? Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the absolute easiest way to make money online that I have found, period. All right, guys, so this is real easy, real quick to do, and I'm gonna show you guys how to exactly do that. All right, so you want to go to my description, and you want to click on my second link there. It's gonna take you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, so we're gonna go to members login, Log in like that. Boom. I'm gonna log in. Now what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads per day. Get 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. All right. So it continues to add up till you got a ton of people you can email. All right. So we're gonna use an email that the system that ChatGPT has particularly written for us. Now, if you was in the early place of these systems, you'll know that ChatGPT has written some emails for us. I'm gonna start using them. I think these works really well. ChatGPT came through for us, and you can just ask ChatGPT. If you use ChatGPT, or you know, it's very easy to ask it the right email. I want to make sure I do that. And this is the email. You can just pause the video, copy it, wish to copy it, not a big deal. I just added my picture at the bottom there, like a signature. To kind of give people an idea that, hey, it's a real person, you know. They usually like that. They usually helps, you know, you're talking to a real person that sent an email. It's not like an animated. And ChatGPT can pull off some pretty cool emails on its own, you know. So anyway, you just hit with the right prompt. Basically, I put in stuff like, write me an email similar to this email. I think that works really well. Not just write me an email, write me an email similar to this email. So anyway, you want to hit perfect timing like I just did there. That's going to send the email around time. People check emails. And you want to make sure to preview the email as well. Now you preview the email right here to make sure it goes to the link there. And it went there flawlessly. That's the whole email. If you want to copy the email, by the way, one more time, I want to make sure I do that. Let you guys see it. All right, there we go. And you send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy process, very quick. Now, one more thing I want to add is that consistency is key. You got to do this every day. All right, do this every day. It's very easy to do. Once you get a ton of emails in the system, it takes about 15 seconds to do. All right, log in, hit the email, send. That's all you really need to do once you get a bunch of emails in the system. And guys, you'll start making money. All right, you'll start making the money. That's all there is to it, guys. Very easy, very quick. In my opinion, if you're asking me for the most effective way to make money right now, it would be to make short videos, very short videos, like 5 to 30-second videos. Post them on these 3 in particular: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Those 3 in particular, focus on them. Post every day. Post every day. I personally would post about 3 videos a day, and you'll start getting a whole lot of sales in that way. Eventually, and you gotta do it every day, because something is eventually gonna go viral, and when it goes viral, you're gonna make a ton of money overnight. And once you make that money overnight, it's gonna be easy to make money from that point on. Because once you go viral, I don't know what it is, but the sites understand that people like this content from this channel, so therefore they start pushing your stuff a little bit more harder and start getting a bunch of views and stuff. Now that's the way to do it. All right, guys, and that's the way that works. That's how you make a ton of money. All right, it's proven over and over again. Ask anybody that's ever made money online on any. This is what I'm saying right now is the way to make a ton of money really quick. All right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.